Hello, my name is Hafiz Sultan. This time, our team will talk about the topic is religion. So, don't skip this video. Every human being from the beginning until the end of his life must learn the Quran, and the most important thing to practice it. The basis of Muslim society telling their children to read the Quran is because every parent has an obligation to educate their children so that when they become virtuous people. Human as caliphs on earth and theirs to the last prophet, namely the Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. Humans are required to live as well as possible, meaning by understanding and practice the religious sense and general sense for worldly affairs. So that sense becomes unfitable and can add knowledge and division. Even though it has subsequent, the incoming foreign culture cannot be controlled, so that the nation moral are not accordance in the future. At least the assumption can be based for several facts. Among there, the subset such as those under the coordination of the Ministry of Nation Education. The current society condition which were still for completely from under development. However, people who are there accept that are take into consideration qualitative. So that in practice now there are problems that become obstacle to achieve the goal that have been planned as above. Some the factor causing the children interest direct the Quran after elementary school as the follow. So thank you, and the next is my friend.
Hello, my name is Ridwan Bismil Ahmadi. Okay, some of the factors causing the decline in children. Interest in reciting the Quran after elementary school as are follows. 1. The factor of children. The age of children is an age that very vulnerable to the influence that comes from outside themselves as well from the surrounding environment. Number 2, environmental factor. We set the factor of the come from with oneself. There are also factors that come to inside, namely environmental factor as explained in the influence of shaping the children's personality. Okay, number 3, factor of learning. The success and of education else depend of the acquire of the learning system used. In addition to volume of the education element, likewise in raising Al-Quran, which is carried out in Sembungajo village. There is need for
Saying the manufacturer
appreciation
that cause
learning
a decrease in
system
interest with
in order to be
reci-
able to produce superior and noble students.
saying the manufacturer that cause a decrease in interest with reciting the Quran for post-elementary school children as described above. It is necessary to take steps that must be taken as a solution to some of the factors, including 1. The factor of the child. Giving motivation must be done by every parent who want their child to be good with good character in the future. So it is not limited to the prayers they say. But efforts to educate children about religious knowledge also need to be emphasized. 2. Environmental factor. Support or motivation from the closest people is very meaningful in the development of the child's personality. Moreover, parents who also should not only focus on their children's education in the general science, but parents in educating their children must have a balance between the religious science and general science as provisions for their children to live his life. If parents do not provide direction and encouragement to the child will become wild. His faith is thin and easily shaken, which can endanger the child himself. In addition, to overcome the very fast entry in the Western culture, it is necessary to pay more attention to children, such as sharing television viewing time. Thank you from my group. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.